All right, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back. So this week was interesting because we had the FOMC. So I'm going to be showing you guys why having a trading plan is imperative for your success. Without a trading plan, the chances of you succeeding in this game long term is not going to work. So I'll give you an example. I only take trades on day threes, reversals, and break of structures, right? So as you can see here, we had a day two. So my assumption was we were going to have a day three, but I only do it between Asian and London sessions. So during this block right here, this 2-hour gap is when I enter trades. And based on my trading plan, I was able to prove to myself this is how you can have a high probability setups. As you can see, this pumped on Asian session, so it was a no trade for UJ for the week. Now, if we go to GJ it was day two, and look, the day three, it pumped up during Asian session. We don't take trades over here. I mean, we take trades over here, but it's because it pumped in Asian session, it's a no trade, because what we want to see is that we want it to retrace to a 4-hour level, 4 hours on level with confluence on a fib and during the session. If it doesn't happen during that time, it's a no trade. So Euro USD, we had a day three here. Now, this was very interesting because if you look at the day three on Euro USD, when this pops up, give it 1 second. Let's see here. Okay, so on day three, you see it came down here, and then pushed up. But then on this zone, it wasn't at a level. So basically, the type of ones that I look for is goes up, pull back for a retracement, and then continues up. And then this zone, this area would be during the Asian London session. We would have a fib confluence, and it will be a 4-hour zone. So we didn't get any of that. So this week was a no trade, even though I took one trade as a loss, but that was off of a daily zone. So it could happen a loss, it can happen sometimes, but it's part of the plan. And when you have your risk management on point, long term, you're going to be fine. Now, what I'm seeing upcoming is if you look at the daily zone here, let's look at the 4-hour zone. You see a lot of exhaustion in this area, right? And in the daily zone, we have a bearish candle, but this is looking like if we close with a lower body here, this looks like it may be potentially reversing to the downside. So what I did was drew my fib level, top to the bottom, and I looked for structure confluences. So as I can see here, I have a confluence here because on Euro USD, I only do the 618, 168, 268, like 0.068 is 0.618 is what I look for on Euro USD. How do I know this? Because I've tested this pair several weeks, months, all the time, backtesting to find out what works and what doesn't work. So right now what I'm looking for is that if it tests up here during Asian London session on Monday, then this is a setup that I'm going to be holding from here all the way down here. And that will probably be the trade of the week. So one trade a week is literally all you need to catch some crazy pips. So you don't have to make that many trades in a week. So if you have any questions, comments, put it down below and I'll be able to help you out as much as I can.